Today we will understand about how to perform the load cell calibration of peel adhesion and bond seal strength tester. So as in other calibration videos, I have already informed that the calibration thing is dependent on the standard operating procedure of the manufacturer. So, but what we will discuss here is the basic principle of how a calibration has to be performed. So now we will understand that how to do the calibration of this machine. Okay, so with the help of this dead weight, the known dead weight, we will be calibrating the load indicator. Okay, so I am using this 2 kg, I am using the 2 kg dead weight. So we have to make some of the setting in this indicator. So we have to press reset and memory button together like this. We will see in this red display 0.000 and here the lock. Here you have to enter the password to go in the calibration mode or in the set mode. So we will press the peak button for this. You will be able to see the flashing of the display. Okay, to change the face value we have to press this peak button. So now the password will be 127. Okay, so 7. So this reset key is also used as increment key. Now to move from this face value to the tens place, we have to go in this. Press this peak button. Then again we have to increase the reading. For decreasing we have to go in this memory. This is the decrement value key. Okay, we have to increase. Now again we'll go in this peak mode and then 1. So the password 127 we have entered. Again we will press this reset and memory. We have entered in this set mode. So here we have to fix this is the overload protection in the machine. Okay, so this is set at 18 kgf. Now we will go in next mode. So here this is the calibration mode. Always keep in mind that we do not come too many times in this mode. Okay, if you are performing the test, always try that you are on the normal mode only. Don't come in this calibration mode. Okay, when you are coming in the calibration mode, you have to place the dead weight and perform the whole calibration. Otherwise, you will not get the appropriate result in the testings. Okay, so right now I am using the 2 kg weight. And right now you do not have to hang the weight. When you will enter here in the calibration mode, then only you have to hang the weight. So we will hang the weight. Now we have hanged the 2 kg weight here. Okay, and then we will enter the dead weight value which we have hanged on the gripper. So we have to set. So this is 2 kg. We do not have to do anything. Again press this reset and memory to go back in the main screen. We do not have to touch this dot point. If you want to shift the dot point, okay, then you can go for the dot point 1. For this red display dot point shifting, this is dot 1. For this area, this is the dot 2 for changing the dot point of this green area. Okay, now we have entered this main screen. Now you can see the result will be calibrated. So you can see the results are calibrated. So this is how you have to perform the calibration. Okay, if you are not getting any value, okay, this will be in a very rare case scenario. If you have entered the calibration, if you have not applied the dead weight and you will go back to main screen, then you will not be able to conduct the test. So make sure if you will go in the calibration mode, you properly complete the whole calibration process, then only come to the main screen. Otherwise this main screen will not work appropriately. So this is a proper indication you have to make sure, and the standard operating procedure also. So let us understand that. So this is how we have performed the calibration of the load cell, and we understood that the load indicator is giving the appropriate reading as we have used a 2 kg load cell. So thank you so much.